Hey guys, Jpearly here, and this is the day before the competition, the Putra Speedcubing Challenge 2019 competition. I'm currently now packed a little bit and setting up some cubes that are kind of dead and trying to make them alive again. So yeah, nothing really much to say about, and we'll see you tomorrow.
Hey guys, so today we have this very so high.
Wow, you don't camera shy, that's good, that's good. Wait.
I know just want you feel your skill average, don't set bitch.
Hey, no, that sucks.
No. Okay, so try this. Okay. Take it. It's so sandy and
it's not good.
it's so bad.
Then throw away.
What are you trying to do? No.
Then throw away. It's a rubbish.
Yeah, it's not.
Then throw away.
Come on. Do you know why it's called MS? Do you know why it's called RS? Because it means really sucks.
Really sucks 3 times.
Yes.
3 times worse.
You are using this cube.
Give away. What the? What the hell is it
I'm gonna punch you already.
Telling you guys that this guy here is giving away his NRCU. Come to my Facebook.
You know what I'm gonna do this?
Stupid.
Something, yeah.
Hey. That's good. That's nice. It's a good job. You're done.
Here you go.
Don't be stupid.
Oh, look at this guy. Using the RS4M.
Using the giveaway cube. They want to break A first and then give away. So nice.
Oh, he's gonna get NR. Oh, NR pula. WR. Oi.
Even this.
Okay, so look at this box. It has weight on it because it has a cube inside. It's a brand new Yulong, so let's step on it. Oh! Crap! Holy crap! Oops, very sorry. I'm sorry to YJ. I'm sorry to YJ. Okay, that's enough.